Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your cash management with Discover Bank, full guide step by step clearly. Start by assessing your current cash management strategy. Identify the specific areas where improvement is needed. Research Discover Bank's cash management features and services. Examine their high-yield savings accounts and checking options. Consider any fees associated with these accounts to ensure they fit your budget. Open an account with Discover Bank by visiting their website. Provide the required personal information during the application process. Link your existing bank accounts for a smooth transition. Set up online banking for easy access to your accounts. Explore the budgeting and saving tools offered by Discover Bank. Utilize their mobile app for managing your finances on the go. Automate your savings by setting up recurring transfers. Monitor your spending habits through Discover's financial tracking tools. Review your progress regularly to ensure you're meeting your cash management goals. Adjust your strategy as needed based on your financial situation. Take advantage of any additional resources or guides provided by Discover Bank. Stay informed about any updates or changes to their services. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.